Good morning, students. Let us continue our playing on geometry. Some more angles. Complete angle. The angle which is exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. The measurement of 360 degree, just like this angle, is known as complete angle. Next, adjacent angles. A pair of angles, that is two angles, are said to be adjacent angles if they have a common vertex and a common arm. In this figure, angle ABC, CBD, two angles having same vertex B and common arm BC. Therefore, these two angles ABC, that's equal to B, and CBD, that's equal to A, are adjacent angles. Next, vertically opposite angles. If two lines intersect at a point, then they form vertically opposite angles. Two straight lines, suppose AB and CD, intersect at O, then they form angles AOC equal to BOD, AOD equal to COD. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Other than this, one more important thing, although you have idea, perpendicular. Perpendicular lines, two lines are said to be perpendicular lines if they make an angle (90°). Two lines are said to be perpendicular lines if they make an angle 90°. This is one line, another line. This line is AB and this is CD, making an angle 90°. Therefore, AB is perpendicular CD is perpendicular to AB, and it is written in this form, implies CD perpendicular to AB. Now let us solve some problems from theme 4 chapter 2, problems on angles. Exercise Question number 4. Question number 4 by italicized 5. Fill in the blanks. 62 degree, 32 minutes, 32 seconds is equal to dashed seconds. Now we have to reduce this. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Multiply this by 60. It will be 3720 minutes. Add 32 minutes. It will be 52 minutes. 3752 minutes. Minutes you have to reduce into seconds. Again multiply this by 60. Two two 5120 seconds plus 32 seconds. That's equal to 2 5 1 5 2 2. These seconds. Relation is well known to us. Relation is this is 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 degree, 1 right angle equal to 90 degree, 1 complete angle 360 degree, 1 straight angle equal to 180 degree. These relations are well known to us. From this easily we can reduce this. Therefore 2 2 515 2 seconds. This is the answer. Question number 5. 4 by 5 2 2 515 2 seconds. Next question. Number 6 or 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. So many problems are present. Easily we can find out. Type we have to write. Number 1. This is one. What type? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Number 2. Right angle. Number 3. This is acute angle. Number 4. Straight angle. Number 5. Reflex angle. Next, come to question number 9. Question number 9, 9 by 1. We have to find a figure is given. From the figure we have to find the angles. Find x from the figure. Let A, B, C, D since answer angle ABC equal to 90 degree. It is given. Implies angle ABD plus of angle CBD equal to 90 degree. Implies ABD 65 degree plus X equal to 90 degree. This implies 65 degree plus X minus 65 degree equal to 90 degree minus 65 degree. This is an equation in algebra. If same number is added, same number is subtracted, same number is multiplied and same number is divided, then an equation in algebra remains invariant, means remains same, means remains unchanged. Subtracting 65 from both sides, this will be vanish. This implies x equal to therefore x equal to 25 degree. This is the answer. Next, figure number 2. Figure number 2. In this figure, (130 degree). This is x and this is 20 degree. No name given. Let this is A, B, C, D, E. Let the figure is this. Since angle ABC equal to straight angle equal to 180 degree, implies angle ABE plus angle EBD plus angle CBD equal to 180 degree, implies 130 degree plus x plus 20 degree equal to 180 degree, implies 150 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, implies 150 degree plus x minus 150 degree equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. Therefore, x equal to 30 degree. This is the answer. This is question number 9. 192. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. Find out the remaining 3 angles. A figure is given. Calculate A, B, C. Figure is let the figure A, O, B, C, O, D. This angle is 100 degree. This is A. This is B. This is C. From the figure, angle AOB equal to 180 degree straight angle. Implies angle AOD plus of angle BOD equal to 180 degree. 100 degree plus A equal to 180 degree, implies 100 degree plus A minus 100 degree, 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore, A equal to 80 degree. Therefore, B equal to angle COB or BOC. BOC equal to angle AOD. vertically opposite angles are equal implies B equal to 100 degree and angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Same reason. Implies is AOC, that is C, equal to A equal to 80 degree. Answer. Therefore A equal to 80 degree, B equal to 100 degree and C equal to 80 degree. Next, come to question number 12. Question number 12. Find the measure of the unknown angles. Since angle AOB equal to 180 degree, straight angle equal to 180 degree. Implies angle AOD plus angle DOC plus angle COB equal to 180 degree. Implies 8x degree plus 7x plus 22 degree plus 3x minus 4 degree equal to 180 degree. Implies 18x degree plus 18 degree 180 degree. Implies 18x equal to 180 minus 18 degree equal to 162 implies x equal to 162 by 18. Therefore, the measures of the unknown angles is equal to angle AOD equal to 8x degree equal to 9 degree equal to 72 degree. Angle DOC equal to 7x plus 22 degree equal to 63 plus 22 degree equal to 85 degree. Angle COB or BOC equal to 3x minus 4 degree equal to 27 minus 4 degree equal to 23 degree. So many types of problems solved today on angles. Remaining problems you will try to solve by your own. I think there will be no problem. Next day we will start a new chapter on geometry and you will be also ready. Hence, here is the end today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.